Introducing Subbehaviors by CodiumAI. With subbehaviors, you can zero in on specific cases that catch your attention, offering a detailed analysis of your code. Start by generating tests and navigating through the extensive list of behaviors in your code, providing a clear roadmap to understanding inherent behaviors. Then, take a moment to delve deeper into each behavior. Here, subbehaviors will spotlight additional use cases, broadening your insight into areas that might have previously gone unnoticed. For every new use case you stumble upon, generate a dedicated test, guaranteeing that each facet of your code is not just identified, but also meticulously tested and validated. With these streamlined steps, subbehaviors assist you in crafting a test suite that's both robust and precise. Start enhancing your testing with CodiumAI today.